Mendoza. Okay. 필리핀 여자친구가 있어도 괜찮아요?
개인적으로 굉장히 매력이 있을 것 같아요. 굉장히 열정적이고, 그러면서 또 수줍음도 가지고 계신 것 같아요. 팬 여러분들 보면. 그리고 필리핀 밴들이 특히 다들 선한 성향이 강한 것 같아서 너무 좋을 것 같아요.
He wouldn't mind. He wouldn't mind at all. Alam niyo, ang kwento sa akin ni Lee Min Ho, ang impression niya with Filipina girls is they're very passionate. Pakita niyo nga, how passionate are you? All of you! But at the same time, mahiyain din ng konti, di ba? Mahiyain ako! Hindi! Susunod ba? Antande. And also at the same time, and this goes for all his Filipino fans, Filipinos seem to be very nice and warm people, which is why he would think that a Filipina girlfriend would be a very, very good idea. So, ayan, palakpakan po natin si Mr. Lee Min Ho for being such a gracious star, answering all your questions that came in through Twitter. Okay, thank you so much. Diba, hindi nakapagtataka na he's a huge superstar, not only in Korea, but in the Philippines as well. And that is why, as you see, he's so open, he's so warm, he's friendly. But you know what? This is a fan meet that's also very fun. So we're going to end the interview here, and we're going to get started with the business of fun. We have some games prepared for all of you. At kasama natin, syempre, ang favorite yung Korean superstar na Mr. Lee Min Ho. Our first game. Alright. 이제 게임을 좀 준비해봤어요. 이민호 씨랑 팬들이랑 같이 할 게임을요. Our first game is something called Get That Bench Lee Min Ho Look-alike Contest. So, nakita nyo ba ang mga pictures niya sa Facebook? Nakasuot siya ng mga bench outfits, ang gwapo-gwapo, dalang-dala niya ang mga outfits niya. We encourage all of you to come in the outfits that we posted on our Facebook fan page. And, hindi nyo alam, but we had our bench experts scan everyone in the hall of Smart Araneta Coliseum, and we tried to spot the best Lee Min Ho look-alike. We narrowed it down to 10 finalists. Again, they're supposed to look like Mr. Lee Min Ho, but syempre alam natin, nag-iisa lang talaga siya. But he will help us choose one winner, okay?
우리 첫 게임은 이민호 닮은 골게임. 예, 알고 계세요?
알고 있습니다.
Okay, so let's get started with our first contestant. Can we see him? Can we... Alright! Okay, that was contestant number 1 and number 2. Let's see all of you on this side, please.